Now, can you always make predictions either using your line or your average of your y's? No. Okay, well then how would you know that you cannot make a prediction at all? Well, warning, you cannot make a prediction at all if your line and your data values that you've got go well, that the value that you're trying to make a prediction for goes well far away from that. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, suppose I have my scatter plot that does look, so here's an example of a scatter plot that where my points look pretty close to a line. I come up with my line of best fit. Even if my correlation is pretty good, if I decide I want to make a prediction for something way down here, when all of my data is pretty much over here, that is going to be way too far away. I can't make a prediction so far out because all my data is grouped in here. Where you're trying to get me to make a prediction for way down here, it's too far away. So using the line wouldn't be fair because what you're asking for is too far away. So, for example, in our previous problem, if you look at the lemon imports that we're looking at, they range from, let's look at those lemon imports here. On the low end, from 230 to on the high end, 530. So suppose I wanted to make a prediction for something like 700. That's way far away from my data. My data only goes from 200 to 500. So making a prediction for something so far away like 700 wouldn't be feasible. So I would say that's not even possible because it wouldn't be fair, even if we did have an R that was okay, to use a line when you're trying to make a prediction that is too far away from the rest of your data.